Elastic casing is a great way to finish your garments when you need a little stretch. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the easy steps to sew it. Elastic casing is a fabric channel that you thread elastic through. It provides a quick method to cinch in material, making it a versatile tool in your sewing skill set. In this guide, we'll demonstrate how to create a casing for a 6mm or 1/4 inch elastic with a 1.5 or 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. However, this same technique can be adapted for different elastic widths and seam allowances. Start off by folding and pressing the raw edge in by 0.5 centimeters or 0.2 inches. Try to keep the fold even as you press. Next, fold and press the same edge in again by another 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. This second fold conceals the raw edges and forms the casing for your elastic. You can see our 1/4 inch elastic will comfortably fit through the channel once sewn. If you're using a wider elastic, just increase the width of the second fold. To complete the casing, we will sew on the inside edge of the fold. At the machine, start with a back stitch and then continue to sew along the inside edge of the casing. Finish with a back stitch, then give the seam a good press. Now it's time to thread our 1/4 inch elastic through the casing we've just created. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic, then thread it through the channel. If you're working with a short piece of elastic, consider pinning the other end to your fabric to prevent it from pulling through. Once the elastic is threaded through, ensure it is pinned securely at both ends. Now you can gather it as necessary for your current sewing masterpiece. If you love sewing, we've got something to help you plan out your creations. Our awesome and awesomely free PDF sewing planner. Jot down your measurements, hack plans, and supplies for every project and add your fabric swatches and garment sketches. Use one of our 4 croquis models or sketch on the blank planner pages. It also includes a collection planner for organizing swatches and styling ideas for mini wardrobe collections and a 12-month sewing calendar. Get all your measurements sorted with our journal and step-by-step video tutorial, which walks you through how to take each measurement. Download your planner for free at madelabel.co/planner so you can get creative and plan out the wardrobe of your dreams.